Hello, Attorney Nouvelle Gonzalo here with Gonzalo Law, offices in Cleveland, Ohio, in downtown Cleveland, and in Gainesville, Florida at UF Innovate. And on a side note, we'll be in New York, opening up with an office in 2024, and London, England in 2026. Okay, but let's get focused on what I want to talk with you about today. Do you know that there are over 10,000 baby boomers that are retiring every single day? 10,000 people retiring every single day. And that fact is interesting because as these people are retiring, they're often looking at online businesses. They might be looking at options to continue additional income into retirement. And so I want to talk with you about online scams and what to do once you're taking advantage of. We did talk a little bit about how to prevent them from happening, but the reality is, if they happen, what do you do next? What is your next step? And so I want to talk with you a little bit about that. So if you've been a part of or taken advantage of by an online scam, I want you to gather all of your information. You need to make sure you have the names of the people involved, you have the name of the company that you were working with or doing business with. As many names and information that you have will help legal counsel in the process. We can also run background checks on these people, on the companies. We can see what their history is. We can see if they have any other lawsuits against them. So gathering all your information that you have is very important, and as much information as well that you know about the people you did business with, where they live, if you have a birth date for them, that's super helpful. Those types of things and as much information as possible will help legal counsel to be able to help you in recovering those funds back. Second, file a police report. This is very important because everybody is going to need this police report. And when I say everybody, I mean legal counsel will want to see it. Also, your banking institution or your credit card company, you need to be able to show a police report to them because there is so much fraud and people that take advantage of others or say that they've been taken advantage of, but maybe they really haven't. But when you file a police report, it shows that you're going on record and stating under oath that what you say is true and it is the accurate fact that this actually happened to you. So we really want to make sure that that's included. And then with that report, we can use that and add it to our legal analysis, and we send information to your bank or to your credit card company, especially, and I want to say American Express. Now, they don't endorse us in any way, shape, or form, but American Express is one of the best companies when it comes to looking to recover funds that were taken inappropriately or in a breach of contract. Amex is excellent. I jokingly sometimes say they're almost like the mafia because they're really serious about getting money back for people, and so that's a great card company with which to work. So you've gathered your information on the company, the individuals that you've worked with at that company, the company itself, any associates, assistants, any of those people, all of those names are very helpful. Secondly, you filed your police report, and now, third, we go to law enforcement. So we not only file the police report, but we can file claims in different jurisdictions if they are tied into the matter. So for example, let's say you had a breach of contract matter that happened in Florida, but the company is based out of Nevada. If it's based out of Nevada, we can file a claim in the local jurisdiction with the police there and file a report to let those detectives know what the situation is and to open an active case. But let's say the owner lives in Mississippi. So you have a company based in Nevada, an owner that lives in Mississippi, but the issue happened in Florida. We can file with the law enforcement of each of those jurisdictions. In addition, we go to the Attorney General's office and the AG's office, and we file with their consumer report reports department to allow for them to realize what's going on. This company is out there, that they're taking advantage of people, that they need to flag it and let them know. And then if you're not able to hear back from those individuals and you're not able to get any response from them, it's helpful to have the information about them, because we can do the background check and maybe find other ways to contact them, or other people who have contact information for them. And it will cut your time in half. So as much information that you can document, the better. Banks, I will say it's a lot harder to get money back that was given cash out of a bank. That is more of a challenge, but it's not impossible. Normally it has to come via a chargeback from the individual that took the monies, but at least you can file a claim. And one other thing I can say about this is that even if your bank will not give your money back, what they can do is block that person from any future transactions. So you can tell your bank, I want to put a block on my account with regard to this vendor. If they run any more charges, if they try and take any more money, I want you to block that charge. And that's something that you can do. So these are all the things to keep in mind. There's a lot going on in online businesses. There are people retiring, working with these online businesses. There are companies that are doing business and maybe they are working with an online business and get taken advantage of. So there's no shame. It can happen to anybody, but we do want to make sure that you have the tools and the resources that you need to be able to fight this and hopefully get those funds back. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly. You can reach us via email, you can go on our website, you can go through our social media, or you can call us. Regardless of how you reach out to us, we will definitely reach back out to you. So that's it. Have a fantastic day. We look forward to talking with you and working with you. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.